Imagine a machine that boosts the overall productivity of your factory, reduces overtime labor, and minimizes costly downtime. Imagine this same machine can intelligently assess your unique production floor, identify bottlenecks, and even fix them. It can also provide precise real-time data from both your new and legacy machines. Data from your labor force, the internet, and your inventory. Even more, imagine it calculates that data and presents it to you in an easy-to-interpret format, complete with the relevant real-time information you need to take the guesswork out of your decisions. Even from your phone. Imagine how much value this can add to your company. Now imagine this machine is actually an entire team of skilled problem solvers and industry experts developing customized solutions that support your specific manufacturing needs. A team dedicated to your success, planning the automation building blocks to get you from where you are to where you want to be. Introducing Automation Solutions of America. We've helped hundreds of companies of every size dramatically increase manufacturing efficiency and productivity while reducing labor costs and downtime. A diverse customer base of successful brands continues to trust ASA for their ROI. Our vast experience and solid reputation are earned from solving a multitude of unique problems from each plant throughout a wide range of industries across the U.S. Are you ready to take the first step toward reaching your smart manufacturing goals? Contact ASA today for a free and customized quote.